Hey, BBQ Rando here. It's time for a daytime demo, and I got a special guest with me. Who's here with me? Ariana! What do you say, Ariana, when I do demos? BBQ Pickle! All right, now, Ariana and I today are going to go ahead here. We're going to do some Legend Fireworks Enchanting Smoke. You can see here we got the green, the yellow, the blue. Well, no, not the pink, the red. But we'll make believe the pinkish red, right? Now, these guys don't weigh very much. Never done these before. You'll see down here the cautions, right? It's just smoke. We got some good stuff back over here. Oh, there it is. Come on, guys, read it with me. Light fuse and get away! All right, so we're going to come back, see what order that Ariana wants to do them today. Which one should we do first, Ariana? What color? Come on now. Time is money. Green, yellow, blue, or red? Green it is! Let's go to the launch pad! We're on the launch pad. And of course, it gets windy the minute I come by. There we go! There we go, Ari. Let's see how the green one does. Get out of the... No, it's green. Whoa! Look at that! Oh man, it's like the Riddler color, right? From whoa! Sweet! Ooh, extra puffs, look at it! Another canister's going! Whoa!
Let's do some blue after that one.
Alright, blue will be the next one. That's if the neighbors don't call the police on us. Oh my goodness! Look at all the smoke, it's still going! Oh, Ariana's throwing snaps in the background here. Ari, look, it's still going, look! Whoa! Now that was cool. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, green is done. BBQ Rando's back, so Ariana wanted to do the blue one next. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Whoa! There we go. Much better. Now, the blue one isn't as pluming as the green one, Ari. What do you think? It's kind of a little bit lighter, right? Yeah, we definitely had some. Go throw them one at a time, two at a time. There you go. That a girl. All right, blue is going. So far, green I think is the winner. We'll see here. All right. Whoa. Oh, blue's kicking in now. Doesn't want to be beat. Oh. There we go. All right, Ari. Oh, yeah. Now it's coming to town. Blue smoke. Enchanting, isn't it? Stinky, too.
I finished all myself.
You did? Okay, yeah, I could tell. You threw like 9,500 in like 3 seconds. Whoa! Blue! Last one on the launch pad from Legend Fireworks. This is red. There we go. See what happens. Or pink. Okay. All right, Ari, watch. Whoa! It is. Yeah, you were right, babe. Look at this. Whoa! It's like I dream of Genie. Oh, please be Barbara Eden. Pop out. Yeah. Watch out, you're in the smoke. Whoa. No, I don't know about that. That looks like... I know. Sorry, Mrs. BBQ Rando. Oh, boy. She's getting married at the ranch. Mad me at the ranch house. Don't move. Whoa! All right, go ahead. Close the door then, Mrs. Barbecue Rando. Jeez. Whoa!
Smoke's coming out. Oh, geez, I have a...
Whoa!
That was smoking on me.
Oh my goodness! Run behind me. Run over this way. I think pink won. This one is still going. Oh man.
I'm peeking.
Stay there. Don't get closer. Wow. I'm impressed.
It's like yellow at the end of it.
There we go. Yeah, you can kind of see it's still going in there. So I would definitely say yes for Legend Fireworks 4-pack of Enchanting Smoke. And you know what I'm going to say? Barbecue! For the